This tutorial will take you on a tour of the Archibus Maintenance Console. The Maintenance Console will show a list of all work requests that have been submitted by you and allows you to do certain things such as cancel a work request or print one. So we'll click Maintenance Console from my home page. Work requests in the console are grouped by status. So assigned to work order is the first status that all work requests come into our work request system as. If I expand that section, I can see a list of all my work requests that I have submitted that have not yet been issued to a craftsperson. There may be a time when I wish to cancel a work request. So in order to do that, I simply find the request I wish to cancel and click the cancel button. The system will pop up asking me to provide a reason for canceling, and this will get sent back to the requester in an email as well as stored in our system if we need to look back at this for future reference. So I may say something like, "This is a duplicate request," and click yes to cancel. That work request has now changed from assigned to work order to canceled and has moved out of this queue. Another thing I may wish to do in this maintenance console is to print one or many work requests. In order to do that, I select the work request that I wish to print and go up to the export button. Now there are actually several options here. The first two, export to XLS and export to docx, will export the entire list of requests in my maintenance console to either Excel or Microsoft Word. If I choose docx selected with work request details or PDF selected with work request details, this will export only the requests that I have selected here to either a Word document or a PDF format. So let's click docx selected for this example. So just wait until this says job completed 100%, and then you can click this link to launch the work request in Microsoft Word. So here's the request that I submitted, and now I can print it if I wish. We'll go back to Archibus now. Another thing I may wish to do is print a work request with the floor plan attached to it. So to do that, again, I would select the work request I wish to print and then come over to docx selected work request with floor plans or PDF, depending on whether I want a Word format or a PDF format. Once this gets to job complete 100%, I can click this link and open up the work request in Microsoft Word. I'll now see the floor plan of the building that this work request was submitted for with the room number selected highlighted. I can click close to return to Archibus. So I can also click any of these work requests to see the details of the request. The basic details appear in the top panel here. I can also open up the more information section to see more information and view any documents that were attached to this request. Simply hit close to exit. That's the maintenance console. Thank you for watching.